who has dreams in connection with the star, the moon, the sun, has received already the interpretation. Now, the star, let us find it in the Bible. The star. We have spoken about the moon and the sun. Now, the star, we can see Prophet Daniel. We can take the book of Daniel, chapter 12, verse 3. We are going to have just a pause, but I want someone to meditate on Daniel, chapter 12, verse 3 in the meantime. Then we will come back after 30 seconds. Thank you.
Shalom. I am Pastor Daniel Ouakson, Senior Pastor of the Church Trinity of the Most High God in South Africa. Today, I am going to present you this service called Dreams Interpretation and Deliverance Prayers. Join this service, Jesus Christ will speak to you. Feel free to send your dream, your name will not be mentioned.